Hi, I'm James Landay. I'm a professor of computer science at Stanford, and I'm also a co-founder and the vice director of the Stanford Institute for Human-Centered AI. In this course on the technical fundamentals of generative AI, we understand that not everyone has a technical background. Our goal is to provide you with a solid grasp of the essential concepts. We've invited the most renowned faculty and instructors at Stanford University to give you a truly unique learning experience.
I'd like to share with you some best practices on how to build agentic AI systems.
They'll share a diverse range of expertise and perspectives about their individual cutting-edge research and insights.
These systems are not science fiction anymore, they are reality.
They'll introduce you to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and foundation models.
I think we should think about how we could look at ways of adapting the models.
They'll cover the basics of how these models are built and guide you in selecting the right ones for various applications.
Typically, we have to figure out the problem first and then come up with the relevant tools for tackling that specific task.
I want to think through some of the more aggressive forecasts for why AI may be so consequential.
Together, we'll navigate the evolving landscape of generative AI, demonstrating how and where human values will lead the way.